All right, welcome back. It is now time for Ask the Expert. We get an extra hour of sleep this weekend. And as we return to standard time.
Yes, also an extra time, an extra hour to campaign if you want. In the spirit of the time change, financial professional Brad Allen with wealthwisconsin.com joins us now with 5 things you can do in 60 minutes or less that will save you big time down the road. Just an hour. Now, should we do that at 2 in the morning when we're switching the clock back?
No, I just think we should use this extra hour as a bonus.
Okay.
You know, we have this whole extra hour. We can take a look at our finances for the next year and how to organize them going forward.
I wish it would only take an hour.
That will put me to sleep for an hour.
And it could put you to
extra
sleep.
hour.
All right, so give us some tips here.
Yeah, so we came up with a list of 5 different things you can do in under 60 minutes that's going to help with the finances going forward. So number 1 is going to be setting that holiday budget. Right, so we're talking about the budget again, just like every week. But
just throw a number out there, or?
No, I mean, shoppers are expected to spend $772 billion this coming holiday season.
Okay.
You know, so you really want to put a budget together that says this is who I'm going to buy gifts for, this is how much I'm going to spend, and then also put in traveling, put in how much is that ugly Christmas sweater going to cost this year, you know, all those things that add up over time, and that's what's going to keep you on track.
Okay. And then the gym membership that you're going to apply.
That's right, after all the holidays.
Yes.
Yep.
All right, let's go back to that list.
Yeah, number 2 is going to be organizing your accounts, right? So a lot of people don't realize that they have accounts out there that they may have forgotten about, right?
Talking about banking accounts, financial accounts,
IRAs, there's orphan 401ks, maybe a job 20 years ago you forgot about. You know, so it really takes, if you take 60 minutes and just sit down and write down all the accounts that you have, how much is in the account, who to contact, and then share that with your spouse or your beneficiaries. And going forward, you know, this is what's in the account, this is who to contact if anything happens to me.
I thought something was interesting on that list. Set the debt?
Set the debt, yeah. So you want to make sure that you are really tackling your debt. I mean, Americans right now, $5,700 on average in credit card debt. And students coming out of college, about $37,000 in student loan debt on average. So, you know, it can seem really overwhelming. How do I tackle this debt? How do I start? So you really want to just snowball it and take the lowest amount out of all the debt that you have, tackle the lowest first. Throw all the money at the lowest and pay the minimum balance on all the other accounts. And then once you pay that off, go to the next lowest. And that really snowballs and helps you pay off that debt faster.
Then we got look at the books and taxes. Tax
time is coming up sooner than you think, right? So if you start today, just take 60 minutes and start putting stuff into a folder and keep doing that throughout the year, whether it's, you know, itemization, deductions, investments, all that kind of stuff. And then when tax time comes, you just pull the folder out instead of rushing around trying to get it all done.
Yeah, because a lot of those year-end things are starting to come. Get them in the right file.
That's
so,
right.
Brad, we appreciate your insight on that. If you have a question for our experts, email them at asktheexpert@today'stmj4.com. You can also leave a voicemail. We always have the number right there for you. Well, a sport